Okay, what's up gamers, my name is Centrix and welcome to another scrap mechanics survival video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to make your basic car a digging car for stone or wood, however you please. Now in the last episode on my channel I have built this basic car. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes. It's really easy, so you can go and check out that video right here on the top right corner of your screen. And in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust it so you have a perfect digging car. Now what you will need, you will need the drills. Okay, this is really up to you how many you want. I usually use 3 because that's in my opinion the most efficient. And then you will need a second engine. Now you don't need a second engine, but it's really a lot easier if you have it. You will really struggle if you don't. So I think it's pretty pointless using the same engine for the drills and your wheels, because if you drive, the drills will come on. That's the first thing, that it will drain energy like that. And the second thing is, once you're already at the stone and you want to start drilling, you won't drill unless you move, and you kind of need to stay in one place while you're drilling the stone. So it's really not a pleasant thing to work with. So you have this second engine right here. Now I use an electric engine because I have lots of batteries anyway and I don't dig that often, so I'm gonna put batteries in here. You can use a scrap engine or any type of engine you'd like as your second engine. Okay, so first things first, you want to put down bearings just like this, and then you just put down the drills on there. Great. So now that you have the drills, you want to connect your second engine to them. Okay, so now I've got them drilling. Now that's because the engine is up and running, but as soon as I turn this off, it just turns off, and I can still drive with this turned off, which means that I won't be losing any power. And same thing is, if I just want to put this on, I can, and I can drive around with it. You can kill cows, bots, anything you like. Okay, so now that you've got this car right here, you're basically set to go. And you can just find some stone, which is fairly easy. You will have to find stone just like this. Okay, so let me just drive up to it. Okay, make sure it's touching, and now you can just turn your drills on and just drive into here. Now I'm driving uphill, so it's kind of weird. I'm gonna turn this off. Now you will need some adjustments, maybe adjust it sometimes. This really depends. Okay, so as you can see, I'm drilling through and it's working perfectly. Now here you've got some ore. Now that's just great. Okay guys, so you basically just want to drill away. Now something like this can happen if your car is really light, like this one. You just want to kind of drill into these big stones. Now as soon as they become smaller stones, okay, you can't do anything with these big ones. This is too big for the sledgehammer, but you can damage these smaller ones. So they will just kind of get smaller until they get into ores. Okay, so you just basically need to damage these big ones, and then you can damage them just by hand like this. Okay guys, so that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.